So today I have a variety of stonework here to do, and I want to walk you through the process of how to do it. But first we have a custom made front porch up here. That's what we're going to start on. But I want to give you a walkthrough and show you what we have here to do and what we're about to do today. So I'm going to start with here, this walkway here. We're going to install stone along this way here. We have a border. We're going to go with a 1 feet border, go right along the entire thing. And in the middle here, we're going to go with this slab that we have here. And this is the border that we're going to go with. We're also going to turn that corner. Moving along. This is a custom made front porch. We're going to start with this one today. So in today's video, this is what we're going to start with, but I want to give you a walkthrough and show you everything that we have here to do. This is the coping that we're going to use to install on our step and our front porch. These are the face stone that we're going to use. All of this is custom made. And moving on, this is the platform for it. You see I already took some measurement here. I also have another step around this side here. Here we have another walkway. We're going to install stone from here, come all the way around this section here. Right now we're moving on to the back section. We're going to continue on stone, come all the way around here. So here is a barbecue sitting area. We're also going to install stone around here. We're going to put some piers around here. We're going to come up around 36 inches. And after we're going to put our coping around on top of our column. That's coming up in the video. You guys, all this that I'm telling you is going to be a separate video. So be sure to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so when we upload these videos, you're notified and you can come back and watch them. Still have more to show you. Let's go over here and show you some more steps. And here we have this one here as well. We got to install the coping on our step, put some risers. We also have the platform up there as well. And over here we have another one. Over here we're going to install coping, go all the way down. And we also have down there to install some stones. Right here we're going to put some coping along here as well. Okay guys, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna start by today. All of what I just showed you is what's gonna come up after this video. We're gonna start with that one, then after we do with that one. So stay tuned for that. But in today's video, we're mainly gonna focus on getting this front porch here finish up. We're gonna install our coping here now. What I did here, I catch the center and I split the measurement. So we're gonna start right here now. I install our coping, and afterwards we're going to fill in our platform here and so on and so forth. So with no further ado, let's dive right into the video. Before we jump into the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming videos like this one. Let's get started. Okay, so what I did here, I measure right across and I catch my center. So right here is my center. Now we're just going to cut piece for here and piece for here and start our installation. This one going to be space that we're gonna have here is gonna be a 1/4 inch space, a 1/4 inch joint. This looks like it's gonna be 49 5/8. Check my drawing to see how many overhang we have here. This stone here, I just put it in, but I just gonna mark it, and we're gonna remove it. After we lay our stone here, we're gonna put it back in place. I like to do it this way. If you're doing it this way, you'll get it more accurate. So, 4.5 inches. So we need to go 4.5 inches. Go right over in there. Now we're gonna go ahead and cut this out. This mortar that I'm using, guys, as you know, you watch through my video, I like to add a bit of maybe mortar to this mortar here as well. This is the type S mortar that I'm using. Just for a little bit more extra strength. Still a bit deep. Now I'm going to wet the back of this stone here. Mind the space so that fall down. We're gonna take it up after it. I'm trying to get my level to sit perfectly level onto this one that we already laid. This is what we're taking our slope from, so that we can maintain this same slope go all the way up. So let's see, I'm trying to just bring this one up the back. Try to get our 1/4 inch spacer. Make sure that this and this is flush. We have everything nice and flush off with each other. These spacers that we're putting in there afterwards, we're gonna just use our slicker and pop them out back. So we're good. We can just drop down in there. We're good to go. We look like it, David. But the bite got here. Oh, good. Guys, so first thing we gotta do, we're gonna sweep our surface off. If you have a leaf blower, you can also blow it off as well. Our next step is to wet our joint. Here I have some banding glue mixed with water. Just gonna spray it into our joint before we apply our mortar to it. Okay guys, so now that we have this wet, we're gonna go ahead and start. Here I squeeze the bag and I ring so that the mortar come up to the head. I'm going to squeeze it so that the excessive amount come right over, just like you see here. It's coming up so that way you know that if there's any air in your joint, the excessive amount come up to the top, you know that it's filled properly. Mortar, we also had a bit of banding glue to it as well, to the mortar. Make sure you see the mortar is coming up above the joint. Just a little bit that way, you know that it's filled properly.
difficult for you to squeeze it through the back. So keep that in mind whenever you're mixing your mortar. Okay, so we have our joint sit here for a few minutes. It depends on the weather condition that you have in your area at the time. Today it's a bit hot. So our joint, the way you want to test your joint to know whether or not if it's ready, you want to put your finger on it like this, and if it come off and it's not wet, then you know it's jointable, it's ready to joint. So now we're just gonna go ahead and do our joint now. It's a federal white, so it tends to dry out more faster. Faster than the regular. In my opinion. Back over our stone now. This time we're not going to go into our joint. Earlier we go over our joint to clear the edge of our joint. Right now we're just going over the stone itself like so. Just to wipe off if there's any water stain that comes off we're just going to go through now and give it a wipe. Try avoid touching into the joint this time. Just going to go back right through. Just like you see I'm doing right now. Just give it a fresh wipe.